today has been a wild day for the markets. You got Bitcoin trying to break out, you got the NASDAQ actually breaking out, but which one of these is actually going to continue to go higher and higher and higher? In my opinion right now, I'd be still long cryptocurrency and I'd be looking for opportunities to short the stock market. So far, the stock market has not been good enough for me to say, hey, I want to be buying in this type of environment. We all see the slowdown economically happening. Why would I be buying into this? If you guys are traders, I think you guys can only make money for up to a week here before we start to have a massive pullback. And in hindsight, the stock market's just going to give you one flat, ugly bull trap where bull traders are going to hop in. They're going to be like, okay, I want to see this go up a little bit higher, a little bit higher. All of a sudden, we're just going to have a massive crash. And it's unfortunate, especially because what's happening over the next few days. Israel is about to go into Gaza City, and it's going to be a brutal fight. And this is where this big minefield opens up, if you will, where we're going to see the potential for this massive conflict that's kind of constrained to Gaza right now. Maybe a little bit, skirmishes around. But what's going to happen? You're probably going to see that escalation. And if that escalation continues, it's all over for the stock market for the foreseeable future. I'm not saying we're going to have a massive crash, but you're going to see a pullback for quite a bit of time. And just let me explain why here. In America right now, a lot of our inflation is on two things. It's really two things that are really just causing a bunch of chaos. The first is the government can't seem to stop spending. We all know this. They just can't stop themselves. They want to spend money and they just got to do it now. The second thing here is energy prices. Energy prices have been going up over the past few months and things have been getting more expensive, as you guys might imagine. The last time we saw inflation go down was in July. That was a while ago. We haven't seen inflation go down since then, okay? So if this does become a wider conflict, this is the minefield. Oil prices will skyrocket. The cost of doing everything, shipping goods, just driving to the store, it's all going to get much more expensive, which means less money in your pocket. Now, to go back over to the cryptocurrency markets, they don't seem too fazed by this at all. At least the stock market over the past few weeks has come down, and then it's managed to have this big blow up here off of really just the Federal Reserve saying, hey, we're not going to be raising rates anymore. That was the big news there. But still, it doesn't justify the horrible earnings that we've had, where you're saying, hey, why would I be investing in something that is actually not making as much money as it was before? Why would I continue to pay a higher valuation of that? Doesn't make much sense here. Now, overall, you're going to be fine for long in crypto. If you guys are looking at the stock market, stock by stock is the way to go. I would actually stay away from the major indexes like the SPY and the NASDAQ, stuff like that. Just trade Apple, just trade Tesla. They're going to be looking at some really good breakouts right now, and those are going to be 1 to 2 day holds. Crypto, I'm not buying anything else. You guys missed the dip a few minutes ago. Bitcoin is going crazy, but have the understanding that the market can turn on a dime because of what's about to happen over the next few days, and nobody knows how bad this could all get, but just exercise a little bit more caution. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks.